Hi guys, I'm Sarah. So today I'm gonna to show you how to connect the booking section with Zapier. As you can see, obviously, I will need to create my first Zapier account to move on the section. On regular basis, you have to select the webhooks by Zapier. And then you can copy the link in the setup and return to the integrate setting. You can paste the link here, then stay to update the data and wait for the changes. And of course, click to continue. In order to exemplify this function, I will try out in the booking section of my store. You can add the training, then the trainers. Select the date and time of booking, and also fill out some personal information. And you can see the result. I'm going to move on to the next section. I will show you how to edit the code. First, you can select this code and then input the data. And choose other field of data inserting. Then make some changes for the characters of the code. Then click continue. And now our task was successful. I want to get into the detail by describing the procedure of connecting the booking section with Googlesheet. After catching the raw hook and running JavaScript, just by looking up the spreadsheet row on the sheet, if you have already displayed the row on your site, our system will automatically move on to the next step of updating the row. In the step 3, I will create a new sheet for you to visualize this function very obviously. First, you have to change the name of your sheet. And then fill out some of the default fields. In the section the worksheet, select the sheet we had created. In the lookup column, select the ID and also the body ID in the lookup value. Then turn to supporting lookup column and select the body booking item ID in the supporting lookup values. If the lookup values doesn't exist on the site, you have to take to the box and map on the information on the step 2. Here you can choose the values as we did in this video. In the final step, I will show you how to update the row on the Google Sheet. First, you have to customize your spreadsheet row by choosing your drive. In the section of spreadsheet, you can select the booking sheet and then choose the worksheet and also select the row that you had created in the step 3. And of course, choose the ID and the title of the product. And also the product option. Next, you need to choose the locations. And assign some fields of your employees. And choose the body time. Follow our instruction. You need to select the ID and some fields of your customers, such as first name, last name, and email. And finally, don't forget to select the status. And of course, click to test and continue to observe the result.